it's Raven. Welcome back to the nest. What I'm going to be doing is setting up my paycheck budget number 1 for May 2021. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Okay, so I need to take this out of here actually. Yeah. Okay, flip this. I have to get myself adjusted because I have to take this out because I know good and well that I really can't write up in that thing for real like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So income type, we're going to put full-time job. And that paycheck is budgeted at $2,145.77. And then we are going to put in online income. And we're going to budget here at $150. I was going to put my part-time income in here, but I really don't want to count that because I'm strictly using that to pay down my Citibank card. So, oh no. We're not going to add it in. We're not going to worry about it. Okay. So let's do $2,145.77 plus $150. That is going to be a budgeted total of $2,029.77. Yes. Okay. So let's move forth to our expenses. Expenses, we have due date, which is going to be 5/14. Expense type, this is an auto draft. I just like to put that in there to know what automatically comes out and what I have to manually pay. So expense name, it's going to be Allstate. And this is my car insurance. We are budgeted at $133.67. And then on 5/15, we have another auto pay. And this is going to be T-Mobile, which is our phone bill. I have yet to look into Visible. I need to do that. I just have not. So that's going to be $175.15. Do my hands look ashy? I don't know. We're going to keep going. I don't worry about it. And then on 5/15, we also need to pay, this is going to be a manual. We got to pay good old MLG&W. They will never be put on auto pay for as long as I live. And that's going to be budgeted at $200. And then on 5/20, we have another auto pay, and this one is going to be Allstate again. And this is actually my renter's insurance. This is $17.68. I don't know why it comes out separately. I don't know. Next we have 5/23. This is another auto pay, and it is Amazon Music. This one is $1.08. 5/23. This one is, I believe AT&T is auto pay. Yeah, AT&T is auto pay. I'll say AT&T. It's going to be $45. And I think that is it for expenses. Yes, so let's go ahead and calculate that up. We have $133.67 for our Allstate auto insurance, $175.15 for our T-Mobile bill, $200 for MLG&W, which is our Memphis Light, Gas, and Water, And then we have $17.68, which is my Allstate renter's insurance, plus $1.08 for Amazon Music, plus $45 for AT&T. That brings us to a total of $572.58. Alrighty, let's move forward to debt payments. $514. We got legal fees, and that's budgeted at $225. And is that our only? Yes. That is. Want to make sure. Is that our only debt payment? Just pay the check. It is. But I need to put my split payment for my car note because I'm actually, if you remember from my, I think it was my monthly, my monthly budget setup, I am splitting up my car payments into 2 bi-weekly payments. So my car note is originally like $240 something, but I actually pay extra, so I pay $400 a month. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to divide that $400 up over both of my paychecks. So I'm going to be making bi-weekly payments, which is going to help me pay off my car even faster because I'm paying extra, and then I'm also splitting those payments up into bi-weekly payments. So it's just going to help me pay off my car faster. So we're going to say $514, and we are going to say Capital One Auto, and we are budgeting $200, which is half of our $400 payment. That is it for debt payments for this paycheck budget. So that is going to be a total, I don't even need my trusty calculator, that is going to be a total of $425. Ooh. Alright, let's flip our cash envelopes. Gas, and I've been playing around with my cash envelopes, and I just cannot, well, not really all of them, just my food and groceries. I don't know. I'm trying to find a good sweet spot for it. And I know what I really need to do. What I really need to do is I need to start meal planning. That would really probably help me, because it's like I'm constantly going back and forth with how much I need to have in my my food cash envelope. So I don't know, but I've changed it again. So gas, we're going to budget at $80. Pet, we are budgeting $90. I'm going to say food and groceries, $220. And which, because I was doing $260, but it's just I don't know. I just always have a good amount left. I need to start meal planning. That's what I need to do. I need to start meal planning. And sometimes I break the bank and go over budget. I need to start meal planning. That's what I need to do. Okay, home, which is more of like our household items, like, you know, tissue and laundry detergent, stuff like that. And I always try to get really good deals on that stuff by using coupons and shopping on days when there's sales. And I actually do like I don't want to say a stockpile, because I don't want to say I like stockpile and hoard stuff, but I keep extras on hand. So I typically will, like I said, buy things with coupons when things are on sale. So at any given moment, I may have like 4 things of laundry detergent, or, you know, 3 or 4 packs of tissue. So I mean, it's not like I'm like hoarding or anything like that. It's just, you know, I buy stuff when things are on sale, especially things that I know that I can't necessarily run out of. So alright, so that's how I keep my cash envelopes for home so low. I mean, that's just essentially what I do. Alright, and then personal, it's going to be $25, and personal for $25 is like my personal care items, like my because I have had people ask me that. That includes like my body wash, deodorant, any kind of hair products, which now I am a hoarder on hair products because I'm natural and I use a lot of hair products. So I use my personal for that. Like I said, body wash, deodorant, hair products, all that kind of stuff, things I need to do my nails, that's generally what I use. You know, razors, you know, that's what I use that for. So, and it's $25 every 2 weeks. And sometimes I don't even use it because, like I said, I try to keep extras of stuff on hand. So, all right, let's calculate up our cash envelope. So that's 80 plus 90 plus 220 plus 25 and then plus 25. That's going to be a total of $440 for our cash envelopes. Sinking funds, home, car. I had another one. Home, car, oh, vacations. Yeah. Vacations. All right, home is budgeted at $100. Car is going to be budgeted at $10. And then vacations, $40. And my vacation fund is just growing and growing because I'm not spending it. Ain't going nowhere. Total budgeted is going to be $150 for cash envelopes. If you are an OG watching my videos from day one, as you remember, I've had a couple of different other sinking funds. I had a holiday sinking fund. I was going to have a holiday sinking fund for this year. However, I am on a journey to purchase a home, so I had to make some sacrifices. And I did make some sacrifices, and one of those sacrifices was not nominal gifts will be given for Christmas. I'm a very giving person, so that is a sacrifice for me. But I'm going to be doing very low cost situations for Christmas. And then for other holidays, because my holiday fund was not just for Christmas, it was for also, you know, decorating and for the different holidays and hosting, like, you know, having parties and cooking and things like that. None of that will be happening this year. So, like I said, I had to make some sacrifices now. I got to sacrifice. All right, so moving on to investments and other savings. We have Stash, which is like my fractional shares investing, the investing app that I use. That is going to be $60, this paycheck. And then I have my savings challenges. So we have savings challenge number 1. And then we have savings challenge number 2. My savings challenge number 1 is my $1 monthly savings challenge, which is this one. If you watch my videos, you clearly are familiar with this. So the amount that I would put toward this during this paycheck budget will actually be $287. And then savings challenge number 2 is my 52-week saving challenge, where I save a set amount each week. That budgeted amount for this paycheck is going to come out to $250. So let's go ahead and add that up. $60 from Stash. Savings challenge number 1, $287, and then number 2 is going to be $250. So that is a total of $597 for investments and savings. And I also have other investments, like I have my 401k, but that comes out prior to me even getting paid, so I don't even see that. That transaction occurs before my paycheck hits my bank. All right, so let's go ahead and add in do our totaling down here. Investments and other savings, like I said, was $597. Sinking funds, $150. Cash envelopes, $440. Debt was $425. And then our expenses, $572.58. $572.58. Okay. Let's go ahead and do our calculating. $572.58 for expenses, $425 for debt, plus $440 for cash envelopes, plus $150 for sinking funds, plus $597, and that is for investments and other savings. Budgeted total is going to be $2,184.50. And then once we actually start getting through the budget and getting things paid, that is when you will see me come back probably mid-month and start filling in our actuals, because I do know that I believe some of these are actually a little bit different. Like MLG&W, for instance, I believe is different. I think I peeked at the bill when it came in the mail the other day, but I don't quite remember what it was, but I don't believe it was $200. So this is what we're looking like as far as our budgets for this paycheck. And like I said, this is our first paycheck of May. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you do not miss any more of my videos. Thanks, guys. Peace.